Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 5 Mathematics. In the last class, we saw about multiplication and division. I hope you would have seen the video and understood the concept. Today, we are going to see which operation is used to find out the unknown number. Let us see an example. The sum of two numbers is 575. If one number is 230, then find the other number. So sum of two numbers means when you add two numbers, you get the answer as 575. So one number, that is one addend is given, but the other addend is not given. You need to find out. So to find out the missing addend, you should use the operation minus. Then you write the next step as 575 minus 230 will give you the answer as 345, which is nothing but the missing addend. So 230 plus 345 will give you 575. Let us see another example. What should be added to 756 to get 1000? I repeat, what should be added to 756 to get 1000? The sum states that 756 plus dash is equal to 1000. It means that one of the addend is missing. If one of the addend is missing, what operation you will use? You will subtract. So 1000 minus 756 will give you 244 as the answer, which is nothing but the missing addend. Let us see another example. The product of two numbers is 144. If one of the number is 6, then find the other number. I repeat, the product of two number is 144. If one of the number is 6, then find the another number. So how do you find out? Here, when you multiply two numbers, the answer in multiplication is called as the product, right? So when you multiply two numbers, you get the answer as 144. So one of the number is 6. That is, one of the factor is 6. The other number is missing. So if it is a missing factor in multiplication means what you will do? You will divide. So 144 divided by 6 will give the quotient as 24. The answer what you got as quotient is the other factor. 6 into 24 is equal to 144. So the missing factor is 24. We will go on to example 4. A number when multiplied by 7 gives 91 as the product. Find the number. I repeat, a number when multiplied by 7 gives 91 as the product. Find the number. Here, what is given in the sum? A number. So it is multiplied by 7 and the product what you get is 91. Here again the factor is missing. So if the factor is missing, what operation you will use? You will use division. So 91 divided by 7 will give you the quotient as 13. 13 is nothing but the missing factor. So 13 into 7 is equal to 91. Example 5. A number when divided by 8 gives 9 as the quotient. Find the number. I repeat, a number when divided by 8 gives 9 as the quotient. Find the number. What is given in the statement? The number 8 is given and the number 9 is given. What is 8 here? 8 is the number divided by. So divided by means 8 is the divisor and 9 is the quotient. So what is missing here? Dividend is missing. So you write the sum as number divided by 8 is equal to 9. So to find out the missing dividend, you need to multiply, right? So number is equal to 8 into 9 is equal to 72. So the dividend is 72. Example 6. By which number should 84 be divided to get 6 as the quotient? I repeat, by which number should 84 be divided to get 6 as the quotient? So what is given in the sum? 84 is given. 84 is what? It is to be divided. So to be divided means it is the dividend. And what else is given? 6 as the quotient. So dividend is given, quotient is given. So what is missing here? Divisor is missing. So how do you write the sum? 84 divided by the number is equal to 6. So what is missing? Divisor is missing. To find out the missing divisor, you will use the operation division. So 84 divided by 6 will give you 14 as the answer, which is the missing divisor. I hope you would have understood, children. Okay, next we will go on to the 4 operations together. That means a sum will be given in which all the 4 operations will be given. So to do that, you need to follow a rule. The name of the rule is DMAS rule. So let us see the full form for DMAS. D is for division, M is for multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. That means you need to do the division operation first, then the multiplication, then the addition, and then the subtraction. Let us see an example. Simplify 10 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 6. I repeat, 10 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 6. So the first operation what you should do is divide. So what is which two numbers you need to divide? 8 and 4. So 8 divided by 4. How do you write? 10 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 6. When you divide 8 by 4, you will get 2 as the answer. So the next step what you will write? 10 plus 2 minus 2 into 6. So what is the operation you will do next? It is multiplication. What are the numbers you need to multiply? 2 and 6. So you rewrite again the line. 10 plus 2 minus 2 into 6 is what? 12. So you will write it as minus 12. Then next operation what you should use? Addition. So 10 plus 2 is what? 12. So 12 minus 12, and the last operation is subtraction. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is how you will simplify this sum according to the DMAS rule. You will use the division operation first, and then the multiplication, and then addition, and then subtraction. Let us see another example. Simplify 30 minus 14 divided by 7 into 5. I repeat, simplify 30 minus 14 divided by 7 into 5. So what is the rule you are going to use here? DMAS rule. So DMAS rule is nothing but first you will do division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay, now what you will do first? Division. 14 divided by 7. So this is the first operation you are going to do. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So you will replace this 2 in the place of 14 divided by 7 and write the statement again. 30 minus 2 into 5. So the next operation what you are going to do is multiplication. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Substitute this 10 in the place of 2 into 5 and you will get the statement as 30 minus 10. According to the DMAS rule, what operation you will use? Next is addition, right? But here addition operation is not given. So you will go on to the subtraction operation. So 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. So the answer is 20. I hope you would have understood this session.